Good morning, friends. Very good morning to everyone. Just a minute. We'll post the links in our Telegram channel and then come back. Yeah. I've given couple of golden eggs for my members. I'm not sure how many of you are our premium member. Maybe we'll try to post at least one or two later. Good morning, Ayush. Like what we expected yesterday, we were in a confused state and it reacted as per our expectation. Because generally speaking, when Nifty closes at highest point of the day, next day it should be a follow. It should have a follow up. But today there is no follow up. Instead, it is a red opening. This is what I have mentioned in yesterday's end of the day session itself, saying 70 points. Nasdaq move has been factored. Anything beyond this will uh, create something wild for our markets. So Nasdaq closed maybe 3% in red, I guess. So because of which we are seeing steep gap down opening. But I would say if 15619 is respected, then we may see a small bounce back. Sustaining of that bounce back is a different question, but we will see a bounce back. That is my suggestion as of now. Now let me open my commodity charts. So as per the stuff, everything will be in negative as per our setup. Everything will be in negative. But let's see. Copper, let us see if we get an opportunity, positional opportunity in next couple of days. We have already marked our levels, right? Let's see whether we are getting some opportunity over there. Somewhere around 680 levels, 680, 682 odd levels. If we get, it will be a good positional long. Actually speaking, 686 was the level, but I was a bit greedy and I have sent it as 680, 82. But it bounced from 686 to 715 almost, 713 almost. Crude could be a sell today. Later off we have inventory only can change things around if something is needs to be done. Let's see where Nifty has settled in pre-open. Right at the level 15701. 700 is the first resistance, and then the next one will be 690. So sorry, 619. Okay, so we could get 15800 call also, but let's not be in a hurry. Let's wait and then do a catch up if we get right levels. Okay, Look at the bleeding in IT. Infi, TCS, HCL, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Coforge, Mindtree, LTTS, LTI. This is how it goes. If Nasdaq goes for a toss, all kind of nonsense will happen in all our IT companies. That is the stuff. Good morning, Arvind. So in between, if you people have any questions, you may ask. I will try to answer as and when I see the message. But as of now, I am looking for a down tick. Whatever happens till 10 a.m., we need not worry about it. But post 10 a.m., if we are not breaking the day's low which we have made till that time, then we could see a small bounce back rally on the upside, at least to the tune of 15,800. Let us see, another 2 minutes to go from opening. <coughs> 15,800 call is a good hero or zero. Nifty could come near 15,666 and then we could see a small bounce back. That is what I am expecting. Whoever wishes can take a hero or zero trade in 15,800 call. Guys, remember the golden eggs which we have given. If any of the premium members are here, those can be taken whenever it gives opportunity before next Tuesday. Let me post a call to my members and then come here. Bank Nifty is holding a bit today. Even though it is underperforming, it's holding up. Let me open my option chain analysis so that it can guide us a little bit better where the support comes and resistance comes. We very well know that it will change every 15-20 minutes, but still it could give us a heads up. Guys, Nifty 15800 call is a hero or zero. That is what I have suggested. Somewhere around 45 is a good hero or zero. You may pitch in. Once if he crosses and sustains above this blue line, you will see good move. Okay. Mm, my level for Nifty is 15666. Let me see what is the low made today, because that is the area from where I am expecting at 687. There might be one more low before 10 a.m. and post that we will see it coming back again on the higher side. That is what I am expecting. Nifty futures to spot is having a discount, which means lack of buyers. Discount is nearly 15 points, 15. Good chances that futures will climb again, climb on the higher side. Now slowly we are taking off. Bank Nifty 33,800 call, which we have taken yesterday, has opened below our stop loss, but still we are holding in anticipation that we will get a bounce back and we can exit over there with reducing our losses. We will not be able to get any profits out of it, but we can reduce our losses at least. Yeah, let me check the value for crude oil. Nice recovery. But the thing is, it has not even touched our 666 mark. Without even touching our 666 mark, it has moved. But let's see. Bank Nifty is actually speaking little bit, putting more pressure on Nifty, I would say. If Bank Nifty picks up a bit, then we can see a fantastic move. Let me see where Bank Nifty 33,500 call is putting. Yeah, 33,500 call. What is the option data suggest? 33,500 call has heavy amount of writing. Guys, in between, if you have any queries, please do post. I am ready to answer. Actually speaking, I am just having a conversation with my one of my member. Actually, it's not one of my member. I have posted it to my members. Actually speaking, yesterday we had one call, and by end of the day, I suggested people to exit. I was inquiring whether people are still holding it or not. That is the thing. Important thing is Nifty must not break the initial low which has been made. I mean, until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. whatever it does, it's not a problem. But it should not break the low after 10 a.m. Having a very bad throat. Kunal Pandey, should we wait for July HDFC call to come and the level suggested? Yes, you need to wait. You need to wait until Tuesday of next week. In between, whenever you get, you can take a position. Looking at the situation, seems like Bank Nifty could have a takeoff any moment. good chart pattern is forming in Bank Nifty call option as well as Bank Nifty futures. I feel like they are set to go higher. Nifty, Bank Nifty, both. What's this now? Everything has missed marginally, I guess. <coughs> 15800 C of Nifty, which we have suggested at 45, is now above 60. Good morning, Ravi. Actually speaking, things are not bad as expected. If the Nasdaq fall was like 1%, probably we would have turned green by now. Since it is 3%, it is being respected to an extent. nicely moving like the way we expected. Yeah, coming on the upside slowly. As long as he stays above this blue line, nothing to worry. I'm sharing about Nifty 15800 call. Actually speaking, we have given another call for Bank Nifty 33300 strike. Any queries? Batman, after a long time you are back, I guess. Earlier you used to be joining every day, but after a long time you have been back. Welcome. But something on higher note can happen as still now HDFC Bank on top in NSE data. 11 more minutes. Let's see. Are you seeing in HDFC? I mean, you need to see HDFC. I mean, Bank Nifty index. You should not see HDFC Nifty index. Are you referring to Bank Nifty index or I'm not sure. How is GAIL looking now? Had hero or zero trade? Is your broker allowing you to carry the trade till tomorrow? That's the thing, right? Anyways, let me check GAIL. Actually speaking, GAIL normally gets impacted with crude oil moves. Crude oil, I'm expecting small downside today if 8,500 gets broken. Sorry, 8,700 gets broken. So as long as that holds, you may try a long in GAIL. Let me open my default chart so that would give you an. Yeah, the charts are looking good. Actually, there should be a test of 20 moving average in next 2 or 3 days. Since you are holding options, I will not be able to guide you properly. If your luck is good, then you may see 140 today itself. But don't hold beyond today. 142 is a resistance area which I am looking. Nifty is moving up very nicely. The laggard is Bank Nifty, actually speaking. If he takes off a bit, then we can see a good move. For that, we need to see any of the biggies jumping in. maybe HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank. If any of these two jumps in into play on the higher side, then we can see a good move on the higher side. Look at the level. Nifty, we suggested to buy around 15,670. He came till 78 and then climbed over there. Climbed 50 points. Literally bad luck. I am seeing in HDFC Bank in number one spot. Yes, I heard it today. It's okay tomorrow till 12 noon and 0 0. If you are allowed to hold till tomorrow 12 noon, then you can take a chance of holding till tomorrow. Because it's not only GAIL, all the PSUs like um, NTPC, PFC, REC, BEL, BHEL, ONGC, GAIL, BPCL, all these stuffs will have a directional move on expiry day or one day before expiry. You will not believe I was doing consistently very good profits on playing this call options in all the PSUs when until this physical settlement period came. Before that, I used to buy every time one day before expiry. I used to buy at 50 paise or 20 paise, and then I used to sell it at 1 rupee or 1 rupee 50 paise kind of stuff. Every time it will happen. Last 2 days of expiry, they all these PSUs will have a directional move. If you have any doubt, you can even verify it today and tomorrow or even in the next series as well. But the problem is now brokers are not allowing to carry the positions till last day. That is a big problem. The weakness in Bank Nifty persists. Yes, we are at 10 a.m. Let's see. Post this 10 a.m. if we are not breaking the initial lows, whatever we made till 10, then we will be in a good shape. Even the culprit Bank Nifty could turn a bit. Both are moving in opposite direction, right? Nifty is moving in the higher side, but whereas Bank Nifty is slowly drifting, or even we would say it is staying stagnant at one particular zone. Let's see. Bank Nifty is not giving up. At the same time, he is not falling down. That is good as of now. At some point in time, there will be a takeoff. I will let you know what is the indication. For example, this red line will come down like this, and this green line will turn like this, like a curve. It will turn like this. If that happens, definitely that is going to be the turning point. You can observe through charts. Mm, Yes, there are probabilities. The probabilities of Nifty and Bank Nifty going higher from here is more. If you ask me in percentage terms, I would say it will be 80-20 ratio. 20% it can come down, 80% it will definitely go up because of your market reading that HDFC is on the top spot at 10 a.m. So just let's wait and see. The condition is it should not break the morning lows. If it breaks the morning lows, then everything gets voided. VIX needs to cool off a bit. VIX 2% up. It must cool off a bit. If that cools off, that is another indicator that markets are ready to go up. I'm saying all the possible and positive indicators which will give you a positive setup. The exact opposite will be for negative ones. Okay. Bajaj Finance has recovered nearly 60 points from the low. 5425 was the low. Now it's quoting at 5485. I've given some aggressive levels on all my picks, but unfortunately, those aggressive levels we haven't got anything. State Bank of India missed our level by 75 points, 75.75 points, and Hindalco, our entry has missed by 1 point or so. HDFC and Reliance missed by less than 10 points entry. Tisco has not even come to our range. HDFC Bank has missed by 1 point actually. 22 is the low and our entries suggested entry was at 21. Bajaj Finance has not even come to our place. Our entry is around 60 because it's going to be a hero or zero call for the month. LTTS, have we got opportunity? I have posted a trade but not sure whether we have got it. 82.25 is the low. 78 is our entry. Friends, if you have any queries, just post it over here. I can try to respond you. Let me see how the commodities are going. Zinc, as expected, it is moving on the downside. Zinc actually is a selling candidate below 300. But the problem is if market rises, it will also rise. That is the problem. Aluminum is a sell. Copper 2 is a sell. NG alone gives hopes for bulls. All others are sell technically. Crude, if this green line crosses over on the downside, I mean to say the red line should go up and the green line should come down. If that happens, the fall will be little bit fast. Crude, actually speaking, we have given a sell call. Come on, come on, come on. One push, another push. If it comes in between this green and red line, that could be very interesting. Yes, he is approaching this green line, Nifty. Can he form one bar in between the green and red line? Yes, now in between the zone which we are expecting, one full bar, open, low, high and close, everything should be within this green and red line. Just my moving averages. Tisco, Reliance, both are in green. Hero Motocorp also in green. Friends, another 15 minutes to go for our session to end. I would request you people to send the link to your friends, whoever is interested in joining live sessions of YouTube, because we are providing good help during the live sessions. The problem with 15800 C is just open and high is same. Actually, open high is same means then it will be a negative setup for the day. 77.75 is the open and 77.75 is the high. So that is the only problem. That will not be working today most probably. Why? Because open high is not same in Nifty futures. It's not same in Nifty futures as well as it is not same in Nifty spot also. So that might not work today. That formula might not work today. Okay. I expect at one point at one point today we will cross that 77 mark and move on the higher side. But don't know when it will happen. Nifty 15800 C is above 72. Book as per your greed. That was my message to the Telegram members. This is what I said, right? In the morning itself. There are two different supports until 15,619 holes. Bulls need not worry about what is happening across the world. That is how market functions. So we may not be, I mean to say, we may not be uh, focusing on all these kind of stuffs, but that is the reality. Look at the move. After the initial low, is slowly climbing up. Now the game changes if it crosses the red line. If it crosses this red line, it will fly. Open high concept didn't work today. I have explained you crystal clear why it will not work. Look at the highs of Nifty 15800 call now. It is above 78, 77.50, 77.85 likewise. And Bank Nifty is also moving. Look at the way how he comes in. Couple of minutes back I have told you, right? This green line will turn at one point in time and there will be a bar which will be forming inside this red and green line. See how it is done. The green line has turned here and we are the present bar which we are seeing is in between this stuff. See, I am not giving any vague calls. I am just giving calls with logics and explaining it to you people as well. The bad part is Nifty futures have not given us opportunity. Now if you ask me whether this up move will sustain or not, I don't have any answer. Remember, VIX is still not falling, which means this up move can fizzle out anytime. So when we get an up move, you need to book profits and get out. Now let me see whether there is any queries. Gale near 138, waiting for it to break and hit 140. How much can I expect in my... No, boss, don't ask this kind of questions. You are literally asking me what is the target for 140 call of Gale. I don't even give such things for even my premium members. Don't mistake me. Please don't ask this kind of questions. I have given you levels for Gale. Like 142 is the resistance and it could test that level. And you have said that your broker will allow you to carry the position till tomorrow 12 noon. In that case, you are also playing a hero or zero, so you may wait and see. Friends, we are about to close our session in next 2-3 minutes, 10:30. So if you people have any queries, please do post me immediately so that we are at 10:30 and there is no more questions. So we will wind off our today's session. We'll catch up tomorrow. Have a good day, friends. If possible, tomorrow please invite your friends to join our live sessions. If there are more people, we can extend our session for a long time. I am ready to even discuss with you till 3:30 p.m., which will be more beneficial for you people. Let's see. Have a good day. Bye for now.